So when it comes to effective textbook reading, most of the tips are highlight, underline, write in the margins. But so many students can't do that because even if you have a hard copy book, it's likely a rental, or at the very least, you're expecting to sell that baby back and get some of that money back in your pocket at the end of the term. If that's you, I am sharing an easy and colorful trick to get your textbook reading to stick without marking it up. And in the final step, we will be breaking all of the textbook boundaries, so you won't want to miss it. Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to the Prof Chat channel, where I am all about helping you boost your grades and slash your stress in college. Today I am demonstrating a Post-it notes textbook hack, so grab some of those sticky notes and let's jump in. So first, you decide on a color-coded scheme. For this demonstration, I am using pink for bold words, green for any thoughts or questions that come up as you're reading, yellow for any key points, purple for notes on images or graphs, and orange for your own summary bullet points. Next, you flip through the chapter before reading and place in the sticky notes you know you'll need as you read. So pinks in where there are bold words, oranges at the end of each main section, so you have those there when you need to write in those bullet point summaries. Feel free to cut the sticky notes to size as needed or stack multiple if there are several key concepts in a single paragraph. Step 3, start at the beginning and read one section at a time. When you come across the bold words, you write in the definitions on those pink Post-its. You will also add in any green Post-its for thoughts and questions that come up, yellow Post-its for any key points you want to make sure to remember, and any purple Post-its for any images you want to highlight. As you go, be sure to mark the page number and, if needed, the paragraph number for each sticky note, and maybe even number them in order if there are many on a page. This is essential for step 4. But before we get there, if you've gotten any value out of this video, please do hit that like button. That just helps more students like you find this video. Now, back to step 4. So finally, when it's time to study for the exam, flip back through the chapter one more time to ensure the stickies you've created do represent all key points and concepts. Once you're satisfied with your notes, transfer the stickies to your notebook. You might put them beside relevant lecture notes, or you might just organize them by chapter on a new page, or even on your wall or the window. The main point here is to be able to visualize the material in a way that your brain can make sense of. You might group things by color, by topic, or even by things I know and things I know I need to study. And of course, if you decide you need to go back to the textbook and review more fully on a keyword, you have the information on each sticky to be able to find it without any issue. Now, a bonus perk when it comes to the flexibility of sticky notes is that you can transfer them back and forth as much as you need to. Maybe after you study for your exam, you put them back in place within the chapter, and then you have them ready to go when you need to come back and review for that final exam. Now, if you're into creative study tricks, you may be interested in this video right up here, where I share 5 legit ways to use ChatGPT to streamline your college writing process without cheating. So I will see you over there.